Hello, guys. Today we are gonna do an epic battle. Bucktooth versus Clawsome Shreddy Bear. Woo! Woo! Can I hear a woo woo? Woo! Woo woo! Woo! Ah! It took me so long to defeat that rat. Here's a good rat, isn't he, baby? Okay, so here is our first contestant, Bucktooth. Hello, I'm Bucktooth, and I will beat him to his death. Better vote for me. Okay, Bucktooth, that's enough. Get out of here. Okay, here is our second contestant. I'm Clawsome Shreddy. Clawsome. You better vote for me. Don't be trouble. Because I'm gonna beat you to his death. Not true. Vote for me. No, me. Stop it. None of you. I will cancel this fight if you two don't shut up. Sorry. Well, I'm not sorry. Guys, look for Clawsome Shreddy. Bucktooth is rude. So rude. Now let's get to the match. Ready, fight, split strike. Split strike. I am such a winner. Not for long. Oh. Split strike. Oh. It's alright, let me put my hair back on. Close. Boom. No. That's it. Ding 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 ding. Let's see who defeat me from here, Shreddy. Bro, you're so dumb. How am I dumb? I can fly. Cuz
Is that what you
God, I'm gonna kill you.
I need some recipes,
Bam. Oh, tonight split strike. I told you I was gonna win because I am a battle giant. So if you voted for me, you get all the dollars. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Get out of here. Ow! Oh, ow. My sinuses. Okay, so that's the end of the battle. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy the next video that's going to be like this one. Bye!